Hi, my name is Himanshu. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to control gradient texture using MT. So let's begin. But first, hit the subscribe button so you never miss my new update. VUR keys. Let's first delete this default cube and add a plane S6 to scale up. Nice. Let's go to shading tab, add new, delete this principal PHDF, add emission shader, press Ctrl T if you enable road regular add-on, delete these images and add gradient texture, connect it with the color and vector to vector node. So here you can see, okay, that's cool. So connect object node with vector and here shift A, add empty, plane axis, press G, Z to scale up and object empty, press G. So you can see our empty controlling the color of the plane. And then so you can, this is very useful trick, you can use it for your project. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.